What's up, Jet fam? We pulled up right here to Auto Fits to come get the radiator support. Break that open, Black.
Alright, bro, it open. Yeah.
There it is, guys.
You gotta make sure that it's not bent or anything, since we're already here at the store, you know, don't want to get a broken part.
Yeah, guys. Now, well, to be honest, it doesn't fit in the Ford Focus build, so we have to take it out of the box to make it fit. And there he goes. Off with the box, guys. Gotta recycle. All right, Jet fam, we did just get back to the house and we are gonna take down all the stuff. This right here is the grill, guys. We also forgot to tell you guys, we got the grill, Jet fam. We got the grill and the radiator support. We're about to unreveal the grill. Yeah, right?
We're about to reveal, not unreveal.
Like we said, we're gonna bring the grill for you guys to unwrap it here. This is the grill, guys.
Now this is the black grill because we're trying to color match everything.
Yeah,
so
we are gonna color match everything, so we are getting everything plastic.
So we could paint it.
So we could paint it.
But here you guys, man, look at that shiny. Let's just leave it like that, black, man.
Man, black like this doesn't even look matte, huh?
Nah.
It looks shiny. Yeah, and this goes right here, guys.
Let's just put that on, fam. We're
Look,
good. Sheesh.
Alright, guys, so we did notice that this frame here is a little bit bented in, and this one is too as well. This right here, the old radiator support, was pushed in all the way, but we managed to bring it out, and that's when we noticed that these were also pushed in. So what we're about to do right now, we're gonna grab our
pulley system.
Con un tecle. We're gonna wrap it up right here, and we're gonna do what we gotta do.
We're gonna pull this right here, this fender holder. That's not what it's called, but that's what we're gonna call it, so you guys kind of know what we're talking about. This needs to go more out. This one's really crooked, don't pay attention to this one. This one's the old broken one. This one we tried fixing it, but we ended up benting it too far back. So let's get right to it, man.
All right, Jet fam, well, this is what we got going on here. We're trying to pull the frame out.
We're not trying to, we are
pulling the frame out, yeah, guys, and we have it right here hooked up to the tree. This is what we got going on.
This is our pulley system right here.
But this is what we're gonna be doing, guys, and hopefully we can get a good scene after we put in the new
radiator support.
All right, guys, by the looks of it, the new radiator support is sitting perfectly.
Nah. No, sí, déjalo hacer para que todo tenemos que.
Ok, guys, ahí entró. Todo está saliendo bien. Todo está saliendo bien. Qué pendejo.
¿Quién?
El Neto.
¿Por qué? Size 10, pa? As you guys can see, we already put the good radiator support on. And everything's sitting perfectly. All the holes are lining up good. We pulled the fender holders, whatever those you want to call those. We pulled them out a little bit, and it seems that right there it fit just perfectly. So right now we're just making sure we tighten up the radiator onto the radiator support. We're gonna turn it on, make sure she doesn't leak or anything, and we'll move on from there. Gotta make sure nothing's leaking. Is this the 392, pa? One more. Pa, look, it's wet over here.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, it's because when I opened this, remember?
Oh, yeah. What is up, Jet fam? As you can see, it already got dark. We already put our time in. No, we didn't. We already put some work in. As you just seen, we finished putting up the radiator support. Make sure the radiator's tight on, they're good. We did turn on the truck, make sure the radiator's not leaking. It is not leaking, we are A-okay on that. Now make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys hit that notification bell. What else, man?
Yeah, I don't know, just hit the bell.
You know what? Follow us on our Instagram for some sneak previews.
But yeah, stay tuned. We did buy the grill, but we can't put the grill on right now. We still need to bring in the hood, bring in the fender, and bring in the bumper. But once all that is set in, guys, we don't have to order it no more, so we don't have to wait. We can literally just go buy it tomorrow. We found a good automotive spot that has all the parts we need. But stay tuned, guys.